Welcome to Ask Share Market. It helps you for how to earn from share market. Invest in share market and get profit from it. You need proper knowledge, money management, risk, and discipline. Before investing in the share market, it is necessary to review the shares in which to invest. There are several methods available for conducting this review. My own biggest belief is in the method of technical analysis. Technical analysis is study of any share price history, volume and derivative data with the help of charts to predict the future price movement. This method has many advantages. This make it easy to know when and at what price to buy any share, for how long to hold it and when to exit that share. Along with share purchase price, stop loss and target should be known before buying so that risk management can be done properly. Money management and risk management. Money management means invest equally in as many companies as you own in your portfolio, investing in risk management. It is important to get the ratio between the potential loss and the potential gain if the analysis is correct. Technical analysis makes it easy to find this ratio. Discipline means creating a rule for every action that we are going to take in the stock market. And following the rules and taking the same action is also an important mantra to earn profit from stocks market. Share Market 985057931.online. This site will guide you all about this, so please subscribe this channel and watch next video. Thanks for watching this video.